Hello, tap dancers. This is now going to be your 4-sound riff walk. As we did with the 3, you're going to be doing it both staccato and slurred. So I'm going to teach you the staccato version first, so you're going to break it down. So we start the same as the other one. We start with your knock on the count 1. Now instead of a heel dig and going into walk the dog on count 2, we got to add an extra sound in there. So we're going to knock 1, heel stuff on the 2, heel dig, and then snap on the 4. So you're going to go knock, scuff, walk the dog, or knock, scuff, dig, snap. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I transfer that weight. Remember to lift that other leg, left leg would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now things you want to think about here, as I go into that scuff, I'm going to bend my standing leg, and I'm going to bend my working leg as well too. So or gesture legs. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. If I keep my leg straight and I kick my foot out too far, 2, 4, I'm going to lose my balance and I'm going to fall in that step. So I'm going to do a series here. I think you can see my feet pretty well. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 8. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to try it out with some music. So this is your 4-sound staccato riff walk. Now notice again too, I started with my knock. You are always free to start with your toe if you would like to as well too, because that will be how we start the slurred version. 5, 6, 7, 8. So slurred version, similar to the 3-sound, except for instead of getting your heel stuck on the floor, it's going to come off the floor. So I'm starting with that softer toe, like I'm going to wipe some gum off my shoe now, off my toe, and stuff the heel up into the air. So 1 and 2 is how we count that. So the timing or rhythm changes. 1 and 2. Now the left leg, so the left leg can go. 1 and 2. Again, 1 and 2. So I would do that many times, but I'm going to walk it across the floor so you can see me one direction better. So I'm going to go left foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. I'm going to back up a little bit so I can stay on my floor. All right, so this is your 4-sound slurred riff walk. They can stay a little more in place as well, so if you don't have any room, they can stay underneath you as well too. So let's try that with some music. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. 2 together. So just like we did with the 3-sound, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to take 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Back to the 4 staccato. 1 and 2. That was a terrible one. 3, 4, 7, and 8. So I'll start from the first side here. I'll do the slower version of the slurred first, and then from the second side I'll do the faster version. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that was your 4 sound